K&M Glass, Rochester, Minnesota, your residential glass experts. We repair and replace windows and glass of all shapes and sizes. We specialize in glass tabletops for indoor tables and for patio tables. We offer top-quality glass desktops of all sizes. No matter the size or the shape of glass you need for your home, we do it all. We offer 100% satisfaction. We're members of the National Glass Association, PPG Pro Stars, and we're AGRSS certified. We're located at 208 16th Street Southeast in Rochester, Minnesota. We're right across from the fairgrounds. Call us today.